Welcome to the installation, commissioning, and operation video guide for the DDSU666 Smart Electricity Meter. Before we begin, disconnect the power supply, wear insulating gloves and protective goggles. The necessary tools include wire strippers, wire crimping pliers, wires of appropriate specifications, wire lugs, electric screwdriver and flathead screwdriver. Prior to the installation, please carefully read the instructions to ensure the smart electricity meter matches the intended working conditions and choose a suitable installation location. The technique for installation is to first align the top end with the upper edge of the ding rail, use a straight screwdriver to pull down the bottom stopper, and then press the bottom of the base to ensure that the energy meter is properly inserted into the rail. If you need to remove the meter, use a flathead screwdriver to pull down the stopper, lift the bottom of the meter to separate it from the ding rail, and then tilt it forward at an appropriate angle to remove it. Before the wiring process starts, choose the appropriate cross-sectional area of the wires based on the product's current rating. Use wire strippers to strip 9 to 11 mm of the copper wire at the end of the wire connected to the meter, then use wire crimping pliers to crimp the wire lug to the end of the copper wire to ensure the reliability of the connection. Users have two wiring options to choose, top in and bottom out, or bottom in and top out. Terminal 1 and Terminal 3 correspond to L of the power supply and L of the wire, and Terminal 2 corresponds to N of the power supply. Finally, tighten the wires until the screws reach the end, ensuring the safety and stability of the connection. Before powering on, make sure all settings are correct. After powering on, the indicator light is on and the screen displays normally, which means the machine works normally. Refer to the troubleshooting guide if a problem is encountered. For more information, please visit our official website or get in touch with our local representatives for assistance.